Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020, and I have been recording so many videos that my phone camera was so full of videos that it stopped recording partway through. And so I've already started recording this video once, so I'm just covering up the answer to the knock knock joke, and then we will move quickly through. I think I've taken care of the problem. All right, and the knock knock joke for the day, knock knock, who's there? Ida. Ida who? No, silly, it's Idaho. So the joke is the person, they're saying Idaho for the state, but no, it's Idaho. I used to live in Idaho, so I think that's funny too. All right, the puzzle of the day is a Sudoku puzzle. Remember the columns and the columns that go up and down, and the rows need to have 1 through 4, and so do the boxes. All right, so we have one spot here that is missing just the 1, and that made it so this one is missing just the 3. Now everything has 2 or 3 missing spaces in each row and each column. You can see where I did it here before and had to erase it. All right, so the way we solve these is we look at a column and a row and where they intersect, and we figure out what number is missing. So we have 2 and 3. We have a 2 and a 4 this way and a 2 and a 3 this way. So the only number we don't have is a 1. So that means the 1 goes there, which means we know the 4 goes there. Then we do the same thing. We find a row here and a column here and see which number they're missing. Ooh, this one's tricky. It has a 3 and a 4 and a 3 and a 4, so we don't know if it's a 1 or a 2 just by the row and the column. But do you remember the rule that each box can only have each number one time? And so this already has a 1 in the box, so that means this would have to be a 2. All right, I guess we could have told that already just by seeing that that was missing just 1 in its box. Ooh, so here I just noticed this. This one is just missing 1 in its box too, and this one is only missing 1 in its box. So 1, 3, 4, so that's a 2. All right, so now we have this one, 2, 3, 4, it's missing the 1, 1, 2, 3. All right, maybe some of you noticed already that the box was giving us the answer. All right, our morning work. Number 1, ready, go. About how tall is the smartboard? All right, the smartboard, 4 feet. So a foot is about the length of how tall a piece of paper is. 4 inches, that's about like 4 quarters. We could put 4 quarters right across here, so we know it's not that. This is a possibility. 4 meters. So remember we said that a meter is, a door is about 2 meters. And so a door is actually taller than the smartboard. So a smartboard isn't twice as big as a door. 4 centimeters. Remember, a centimeter is just like your little finger, about maybe that wide. So no, a smartboard is not that one, so must be feet. Remember, we always want to eliminate other answers too to make sure we're right. Find an equivalent, number 2, ready, go. Find an equivalent equation. Remember this trick when you can take away a number from the number you're adding to and add it to the first number in order to find an easier equation. So we have 200 here and then 65. Because 199 plus 1 would equal 200. And so we know then easily the answer would be 265. Number 3, ready, go. Which word means almost the same as big? Huge, small, or round? I think you all know that answer. It would be huge. Number 4, what does the word wonderful mean? So technically it means full of wonder. So full of wonder, but when we say wonderful, we're like, awesome, great, that's really good. So that's where we get the word wonderful. Okay, on to our song and poem of the day. And that is another Landforms poem and song of a waterfall. That's going to be really fun to color. So the song is sung to the tune of 10 Little Indians. So that goes 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians. All right, so here's the song. Beautiful river waters flow, reaches a cliff but still must go. Falling, falling, high to low, that's a waterfall. So I actually think that's a way better song than this one, but now we know the tune of it. So sing it or say it yourself 2 or 3 more times today.